Hello, beautiful people. This is Brandon, Go Element Autoworks. I'm going to, at this time, buff these headlights out. You see how yellow they are? This is on the 2003 E500 Mercedes. These headlights need a lot of work, but not really. I am going to do a rubbing compound and a polishing compound. It's not as much work as you think. They look bad now, but I'm going to show a video of the before and the after. Okay, this video right now is the before. This is what I'm going to use. Something simple that you can get at AutoZone or Rally's Advanced Auto Parts. This is Turtle Wax Clean Cut Rubbing Compound. And then I'll follow up with the Turtle Wax Premium Polishing Compound for professional results. Okay? I'm going to use 2 rags. Okay? One for the rubbing, one for the polishing. Alright, and we're going to get these headlights clear again. Okay? So this is what they look like now. To this. Wow, look at that. All with Turtle Wax rubbing and polishing compound. And just some rags and a little bit of elbow grease, so to speak. A little bit of work. It took me probably 5 minutes to go from this. You see how yellow these are? You can't even see through them. Look at that. To this. Pretty. This is what a Mercedes should look like. This is what everybody's car should look like. What's the point of having HID bulbs if you can't get past the outer headlight lens? You lose a lot of light in these faded yellowed lenses. Okay, but right here it'll shine all the way through. You see the difference? That versus that. All it takes is a little bit of work. Okay, I use that right there, Turtle Wax. Any rubbing and polishing compound of decent quality will work. All you need is a little bit of time, a little bit of effort. It took me 5 minutes to buff these out. Okay, you can follow up with a little wax. It might help it to last a little bit longer. I mean, but this is something that you have to just do. It's routine maintenance. They make these headlights now with plastic, and it just breaks down over time. And you have to polish them back up. Got to buff them, rub them, polish them, whatever. Sometimes they're so bad that you have to do a little bit of wet sanding to them and then hit it with the rubbing and then the polishing compound. Okay, with just a little bit of work, you can go from this to this. All right, I'm about to stop recording so that I can go ahead and do the passenger side now. You all have a good day.